everyone, welcome back to our channel Fascinating Jodi. We hope all are doing great, and we are back with one more video where we will be showing you one of the famous and traditional market of Doha, which is a unique blend of culture, shopping and dining. Now we are heading towards that place, and this place is called Wakra Souq. You can reach here by the car, or else you can use the Doha metro. And if you are coming here with your own vehicle, you might get a problem while parking, especially on weekends. When we came here, we saw there was a lot of parking space available, but we couldn't make out where is the entry to this parking space. So we took a U-turn and entered the other side of the souk. As we reached early, we managed to get a proper spot for parking, and this is a free parking space. Now let's explore this place. It's a sunset time and this place looks so beautiful. There is a lot of benches to sit and relax here, and now the weather in Doha is pleasant, so you can roam in this wide space. This is a famous market which is built in a traditional way, where you will find all kinds of shops, restaurants, play area for kids and a seaside to relax. Now we are near the seaside area. This is the best spot to relax, or you can take a leisurely walk along the waterfront promenade while enjoying the sea breeze and the views of the water skyline. And there are a lot of food stalls and cafes where you can enjoy a meal or drink while enjoying the views. In each lane, you will notice the signboard which makes it easy to explore this place, and while strolling around these narrow lanes, you can witness in detail how these buildings are built to make it look like an ancient shop. One of the notable features here is a bird market which attracts both locals and the visitors. You will get to see the variety of birds including pigeon, falcon, parrot, hen, lovebirds, etc. And here you will get each and every item which is required for the bird keeping. There is also a trained birds, and this shopkeeper was kind enough to show us all those birds, and the price of these birds are a bit higher compared to the other one. There was a talking parrot as well, which communicates in the Arabic language. Before buying these birds, make sure to get an advice from the vendors about their feeding and training, reflecting a commitment to responsible bird keeping. This is something unique we saw there. It was hanging upside down and it was funny to watch. So the bird market is a lively atmosphere where you will get a chance to interact and see the different species. You can buy a variety of bird accessories such as cages, foods and toys. If you're coming to the souk, don't miss out to visit the bird market. After spending some time in the birds market, now we are going to check some other shops. There is a meat and vegetable market as well. You can buy the fresh meat and vegetables from here. And there is women's accessories and perfume market as well, where you will get a variety of traditional and contemporary jewelries, handbags, scarves and shawls, and there are traditional perfumes like oud and bakur. And also you will find the traditional attires here. And then comes the utensils market, but this was closed so we didn't go inside. At night, souk turns into a vibrant and lively spaces. All the restaurants and cafes looks beautiful with lights. You can also try this mini train rides that takes visitors on a scenic tour through the market. These trains are usually kid friendly and make a memorable experience. And also there are horse rides available for short rides around the designated area. These rides will be fun and exciting experience. The souk also offers a designated play area for kids, which includes slides, swings, climbing structures and interactive games. So kids will definitely have a great time while parents can relax nearby. And now we came to savor the BBQ fish. You can choose from a variety of fresh fish often displayed on ice, and they do marinate the fish with spices and herbs, and you can often request your preferred seasonings, and then they will grill on open flames to give it a smoky and delicious taste. They serve the fish with sides like rice, salads and dips. The food was tasty. If you are visiting Souq, don't miss to try out these grilled fishes. There is also a fish market from where you can purchase a fresh fish and vendors will clean and give it to you on the spot. So this is how we spent our time in Wakra Souq. We hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.